Alright guys, welcome to Tech Playground, and on this video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. So I actually pre-ordered this phone a few weeks ago and it just came in the mail today. I figured I'd do a video of an unboxing, and in the next few days I'll upload a review of my thoughts on the phone. Alright, let's go ahead and switch over to a top-down view while we unbox it. Alright, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. So first impressions, it's a pretty slim box, I'm not gonna lie. Usually they come pretty thicker. It's pretty slim, which is pretty nice. So this is it right here. I haven't opened it yet, so let's go ahead and take a look. All right, let's go ahead and cut this open here. There we go. All right, so this over here. All right, there we go. Slid out so easy. All righty. So we have a protector here to protect the phone. And here it is. Let's go ahead and just. There's the front of it. Ooh. Oh, okay. There's the back of it. So yeah, we got our protectives on here. Protectives are finger mount. Let's go ahead and pull these off. Oh, yeah, it's so clean. All right, let's go ahead and get the back off now. Oh yes, there we go. Oh, it's cool. It's like a matte finish. It's not like glass like they usually are. It's a matte finish, which is kind of nice. Doesn't attract fingerprints though, so that's plus. And then we got some more over here. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like there's if you hold it up just right to the light, you can see a little bit of fingerprints on there. Not too noticeable, not too bad. This is actually kind of cool. It doesn't step up too much right here, so if you were to lay on a flat surface, it still doesn't wobble a whole ton, but it does wobble just a little bit there. But let's go ahead and set that aside for now. Let's see what else we got in the box here. All right, so it comes with a little package, probably for our cables. Let's figure out, there we go. All right, everything should fall, there we go. All right, that's everything. We have the SIM key in there as well. Here we have our guides, quick guide reference, inputs, more information. Here we have our charging USB-C to USB charging cable here. So yeah, that's everything in the box there, and like I said, here we do have the, I don't know if I can get out of here. It's on the back, here we go. Yeah, you have the SIM key right here. I'm just gonna leave that in there so I don't lose it, but yeah, that's everything in the unboxing. I'm not gonna turn it on quite yet, but it does have fingerprint on the inside, so I know that's been a thing for the past few generations. The last Samsung I had was actually the S9 Plus, so that had the fingerprint on the back here. No fingerprint there. But really good presentation, really solid build. But yeah, there's the unboxing, there's the phone. The sides are metal. The top is on the top. It looks like we have some speakers here. On the side we have our we don't have anything on the left side actually. Nothing's on the left side. I didn't even realize that. All right, and then on the right side we have our volume up and down rockers, and on the we also have our power button. No Bixby button. They took that out of here. And then on the bottom here we have our SIM card, and then we have our charger, and we have our speaker right there. Yeah, you guys forgot I took a full piece of plastic there, but yeah, there it is. Alright guys, and that is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. Now if you guys are interested in the full review, it's going to be out in about a week, so make sure to subscribe and to stay for that. Smash that thumbs up button if you liked it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.